Can we put a link in our TikTok bio? In today's video, we're going to figure out, can we put a link in our TikTok bio? If you're a content creator, business, or just want to share some important links with your followers, then let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Once you're in, you're going to make sure you're logged into your account and simply go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, please look for the edit profile button, which is right under your profile picture. Once you're on the edit profile section, you'll see an option for your bio. Here you can simply see a spot labeled website. If this is not available here, what you need to do is open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok, and make sure TikTok is updated to the latest version of the app. Once you've made sure that TikTok is updated to the latest version, simply go back to the bio and simply paste the link over there. Once you've done that, simply click on save. As of now, TikTok hasn't allowed the link to be a clickable link, so the people who want to go to the link might be needed to simply type in the same thing in the URL, and that's it. That's how you can simply type in or paste the link to your TikTok bio.